Today's topic is about understanding your insurance policy. One of the big things we see when we meet with homeowners after they've had an adjuster out is they have a problem that they weren't aware of prior to us visiting their home. That we look at their insurance papers, and the first thing they're going to point out is, well, I thought I had a $1,000 deductible on my replacement cost policy, but then I found out that I have a separate deductible for wind and hail. So that is a real problem. There are a lot of companies that are selling you this policy, and then they're converting your coverage over from replacement cost coverage on the roof to a policy that has a huge deductible, or it might have actual cash value on the roof. And both of those, while separate, are disastrous for you. So the first thing we're going to talk about is the replacement cost policy. Um, if you think you have replacement cost policy on your home, that doesn't necessarily mean you have replacement cost coverage on the roof. So you need to ask specifically, do I have replacement cost coverage on the roof? And the second thing is verify that you have the same deductible for wind and hail as you do for other events. So an example of this, I had a homeowner a few weeks ago that said they had a $1,000 deductible. Well, that only applied if their home is destroyed, because if they have a wind and hail event, it's 2% of the value of the home. Well, that meant that their home, which was worth approximately $250,000, it's not a mansion, but it's a nice home. And in that case, the homeowner with a 2% deductible had a $5,000 deductible for wind and hail. So this is a big thing. Pay attention to your policy. Take a look at it. If you have questions, call us here at All American Roofing. In Tulsa, it's 583-0100, and in Oklahoma City, it's 787-0400. Give us a ring. I think you'll be glad you did. Have a good day.